Do you think saving $10,000 in just 1 year is impossible when you're living paycheck to paycheck? Well, let me tell you, it's not only possible, but you can do it even on a low income. Today, I'll break down the exact steps you need to hit that $10,000 savings goal without giving up your entire lifestyle. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Think and Grow Rich, where we talk about personal finance, budgeting, and all things money to help you achieve financial freedom. If that sounds good, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. First, let's get one thing straight. Saving $10,000 in a year equals about $833 per month, or roughly $28 a day. When you break it down like that, it feels way more achievable. The key is not just earning more, but learning to manage the money you already have. Step 1 is creating a budget that works. Use the 50-30-20 rule as a starting point. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt. But since we're pushing hard to save $10K, you'll want to flip this around. Cut wants down to 10% or less and increase savings to 30 to 40%. Apps like Mint, YNAB, or EveryDollar make this super easy. Now let's talk about trimming the fat. Cancel unused subscriptions, downgrade your phone plan, and cook at home instead of eating out. Even small changes, like making coffee at home instead of buying it daily, can save you hundreds a year. Remember, every dollar counts toward your $10K goal. Saving only goes so far. You also need to boost your income. Take on a side hustle like freelancing, delivery driving, or even selling things online. If you can make an extra $500 per month, that's already 60% of your $10K goal covered. Think of side income as your turbo boost. One powerful trick: automate your savings. Set up a separate savings account and schedule an automatic transfer every time you get paid. This way, saving isn't optional. It happens before you even touch the money. Here's the truth. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be consistent. Even if you can't hit $833 every single month, keep going. Some months you'll save more, some less, but over a year, the numbers will add up. And there you have it, your game plan to save $10,000 in just 1 year, even on a low income. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments, what's your #1 savings goal right now? Don't forget to subscribe for more money tips every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.